everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm super excited to make one of my favorite mixed beans and vegetable soup, which is packed with proteins, fibers and all the micronutrients and is an absolute substitute for your meal. So let's quickly get started with the recipe. So to make the recipe, first I'm going to take half cup of mixed beans. So there are more than 15 kind of beans in this, including the pinto beans, lima beans, kidney beans, cranberry beans, white and pink beans, yellow and green split peas, and the black eye beans, white kidney beans, chickpeas and a lot more. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to soak this in the water, and the next day I'm going to boil this or cook this till tender. I have already cooked my beans and they are quite tender and ready for the soup. So now let's make the soup. For that, first I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan. And when the oil is warm, I'm going to add 1 green chili finely chopped and ½ inch of ginger juliennes. Give it a quick stir. So next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of carrots and 1/4 cup of beans, green beans cut into small pieces. So add all the vegetables first, which are going to take some time to cook. Stir it. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of finely shredded cabbage and 1/4 cup of finely shredded green capsicum. Cook all the vegetables on high temperature for 1 or 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add ½ cup of snow peas. So this is one of my favorite ingredient in this recipe, but if you don't have the snow peas, you can also add sugar snap peas instead of this one. Give it a stir. I don't want to cook the snow peas for a longer time, so I will add the broccolis. So ½ cup of broccolis straight into the vegetable. And a little bit of tomatoes. I'm adding a very little tomatoes, so if you want more, then you can go for it. So ½ a tomato straight into this. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. So the vegetables are perfectly cooked and I don't want to cook them for a longer time, so I'm going to add the cooked beans in this. Now mix all the ingredients properly. Add ½ a cup of water. So I will wait till it starts boiling. Meanwhile, I'm going to add all the seasonings. I'll start with salt to taste, about a teaspoon of garlic and rosemary powder. These are very easily available in supermarkets. Next, a teaspoon of oregano powder, little bit of crushed red peppers. We have already added chili to this, so just be careful. A little bit is fine. So as you can see that it started boiling, so I'm going to add black pepper powder, and at last handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. There is no rule to which spice you should add, just add the taste you love. The Cajun spice goes great with this recipe, you can try. And all done. And now I'm going to serve this in a bowl. The healthy and delicious mixed beans and vegetable soup is ready. This is looking super delicious. I need some more black pepper powder in this. That's it. And now it's time to taste. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. And for health related articles, please visit my blog at www.being-foodie.com. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.